Microsoft co-founder and philanthropist Bill Gates, Thursday, 17 February 2022, appreciated Pakistan's polio reduction campaign during his maiden trip to the country. Gates, who is visiting Pakistan for a day, landed early morning and had meetings with senior government officials, including a one-on-one meeting with Prime Minister Imran Khan. He also attended a meeting of the National Task Force on Polio Reduction, where he noted that despite COVID-19 restrictions, Pakistan has performed amazingly in reducing polio. Gates thanked the Prime Minister for inviting him and extending warm hospitality for his first ever visit. He appreciated the efforts of Pakistani leadership, health work, and parents for working tirelessly to ensure polio never paralyzed a child again. President of Pakistan, Dr. Hilal-i conferred Hilal-i-Pakistan, the second largest civil award in the country, upon Gates in recognition of his meritorious services for the people of Pakistan, particularly for the eradication of polio. In this video, Globbal TV has managed to share with you the photos and video of Bill Gates about his activities while he was on a one-day trip in Pakistan. Don't forget to subscribe Globbal TV. Take care. Till next. Bye-bye.